This is a blade and spindle change on Simplicity Regent riding lawnmower. Deck was fine. The spindles were shot after about 7 years. Got a kit off Amazon. I used my impact to remove the blades and take out the spindles. Lined everything up so it would be easy to reassemble. The tensioner / idle pulley seemed to be okay. The original hardware was standard. The replacements were metric. I wasn't prepared for that, so later on I had to reuse some of the bolts. I got the kit with the new pulleys. And just in case the idler pulley gives out, I got some measurements for future order. Like I said, the hardware was metric, and I didn't have the adapter for the impact, so I reused some of the bolts that looked pretty good and maybe even stronger than the ones they sent as a replacement. The side where the blades connect were shattered and fell apart after I took the blades off. Also something I wasn't expecting. Got everything back together. And everything went fine.